Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So right now I came to visit the birthplace of the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So let's see and explore to visit the birthplace of the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So really I am feeling so good after coming to visit this temple and monument. So let's see and explore to get me and Bolo Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki Jai. Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Ram. So let's stay together with me and explore to get me. Thank you so much. Jai Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
So in this time I am just in front of the Nadhari Dham Ashram, which is located in East West Mayapur in Nadia district in Navdeep Island. So I am going to visit and seek the place of Navdeep Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in this ashram Navdeep. So let's see and explore to get me, and this is the way. From this way where I am going. So there is a one cave made as a gufa here. So before that I am just entering and I will cross the gufa from here. So let's see, and just I enter right now. So even it is also so scared, but it's light up very well, and I am also going, and also person also coming and going from this way to go to visit this ashram. So it is one of the most beautiful ashram located here, because Navdeep is the birthplace of the Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, where made so many temples here, who was a 16th century Vaishnavism saint, and social reformer and the religious leader. So which is one of the sacred holy place with the many sacred temples. One of them is also this temple, including the Sonar Gauranga temple, Sri Chaitanya temples, and Mutt, apart from Dwadesh Shiva temple, so many more temples. So there are so many idols and a statue of the Sri Radha Krishna along with the gopis, and these are looking so amazing and unique, and these are also looking like when I am feeling like in Vrindavan. When I was in Vrindavan, so I have seen lots of idol and a statue of like this type of a statue in Vrindavan, especially in Prem Mandir, that is also closest to the ISKCON temple. So there are so many idols made here, like the Raslila of Sri Radha Krishna, and also there is lots of idols. There is one of the idol is also of the Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu along with the Nityanand Prabhu. Even Nityanand Prabhu, who was also a mystic saint, who was born in the Eka Chakra, which is located in the Birbhum district. That is a place of also related with the Mahabharata, where the Pandavas along with the Draupadi spent their life during the exile in Eka Chakra. So there are so many idols also, which is also looking so nice. Like one of the idol is Bajrangbali, Lord Hanuman, and there are also so many idols of the period of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu period from Gaur. So even it is a Gaur Pradesh. These are the places. Navdeep Nadia comes under the Gaur Pradesh at the time. So this is also one of the most beautiful idol statue of the Nityanand Prabhu along with the wild animals such as the lions, elephants, and many more. So even Navdeep was the center of the learning and philosophy in medieval India, and it was still dear famous for traditional Sanskrit school also. So it has been called as the Oxford of the Bengal also because of the education center. So Navdeep also celebrates the annual Ras Utsav in the month of November and the Dol Purnima in the March month. So Navdeep was the capital of the Sena dynasty, which was ruled by the Sena rulers and was founded in 1063 AC. So the name Navdeep was also came from the Bengali was Naba means 9 and Dweep means island, means 9 island, which is located at the bank of river Hooghly Gange river, that is confluence through the Bhagirathi and the Jalangi river at the corner. So there is also one of the most beautiful temple is ISKCON Mayapur, which is so popular here, that is called as a very good and important temple. So the ISKCON temple in Mayapur, which is the headquarters of the ISKCON temple, are located in Mayapur and is considered as a holy place by a number of the other traditional Hinduism outfits of the social significance of the followers of the Gaudiya Vaishnavism as the birthplace of the Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, or regarded as a spherical incarnation of the Sri Krishna in the mood of Sri Radharani. So there is also a museum of, and we can see many more idols in the museum, like Lord Vishnu along with the goddess Lakshmi, Sri Ram, Sri Krishna, idol of Sri Laddu Gopal, and many more goddess idols are here in this museum also, we can see. So Mayapur is located in the middle of the Hooghly River and the river Jalangi. When it is connected by the road and rail from the Calcutta time to time, always and per day. So the temple features deities of the Panchtattva Lord Narasimha Devi and Srila Prabhupada along with the Radha Madhav along with the 8 gopis. So Ekshi Bhakti Vedanta who Srila Prabhupada founded the Mayapur as a place of pilgrimage in the 20th century. So the temple complex consists of the several temples like also Sri Radha Madhav Mandir, Srila Prabhupada Pushpa Samadhi Mandir and Srila Prabhupada Bhajan Kutir. So we can see this is the idol of the Sri Ram, Sita and Ravan, also who kidnapped at the time Sita. So there are Krishna idols along with the 8 gopis and Radha. This idol is looking one of the most beautiful idol here in this ashram. So I also took a place of every god and goddess in this temple, and really I am getting the positive vibes from this temple after coming and visiting this temple. So also lots of temple are here. Already I visited lots of temple, and after that I will go to visit the Mayapur ISKCON temple. So this is the idol of Laddu Gopal on the swing in the childhood form. So it is also one of the most beautiful idol in this ashram, and it is also one of the idol of the Narasimha who killed Hiranyakashipu. So and also there are so many idols still I have to visit. And also we know that A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada founded Mayapur as a place as pilgrimage in the 20th century. So the feature of temples is also a very good facility available here because of the famous pilgrimage site, and always here number of the pilgrims are coming to visit across our country and even across the world. Also many more foreigners are also following the ISKCON who are coming to visit this temple because it is one of the largest ISKCON temple in the world and the center of the Vaishnavism. So these are the idol of this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu along with the Nityananda Prabhu also here, which is representing the bhakti, one of the sacred place. So these are the places where I visit today right now, and this is one of the tallest statue of Nitai Nimai Gauranga in this ashram, so which is also one of the most beautiful, and many more person are coming and taking the photograph in front and below the statue which is on the lotus. So let's see, this is the picture of the Gauranga Nitai Nityananda Prabhu Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Hare Krishna.